Hello, my name is Annabelle. I am 11 years old right now. I will be turning 12 next month. I have studied piano for about 7 years now with my teacher, Teresa Ehrlich. This piece is called Opus 28, number 15, but it's more commonly known as the Raindrop Prelude. The composer is Chopin. I personally enjoy this piece because I think it describes our current situation very accurately. It starts off as like happy, soft, and just drizzles in the song. But then near the middle, it becomes a little intimidating and scary and very like a thunderstorm. But then near the end, it slowly fades away and everything resolves itself and goes back to the beginning happy melody. I want to thank all of the hospital staff for helping us through these hard times. And I hope that for the senior citizens listening that this might lighten your mood or know that everything will get better at the end. Thank you. I hope you enjoy this piece. thank you for listening to my piece. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you.